Oh, hey guys, this is Dixon, and this is part 1 of Club Penguin meets Angry Birds. Yay, Angry Birds, yeah, blah, blah, blah. Anyways, enjoy. Like, subscribe, and comment down below. We love you. Cheese. Oh, what's up, guys?
Oh,
Hey, you forgot me.
Hey guys, what do you want to do?
You guys have any plans?
No. Do you guys have any plans?
Well, I do, because I'm the smart one here, and all you guys are, well, in the word dumb. That spells dumb. Now, anyways, this is my cart. Here, my plan
Wait,
is, you want to ride a go-kart? What go-kart? That's what you meant.
Oh yeah, before you write the car, what does dumb mean?
It means you're stupid.
Oh, what does stupid mean?
It means you're idiots.
What does idiot mean?
Someone who's very dumb and stupid.
What is someone that's dumb?
You know what?
Just drive the cart.
You know what? Oh, sorry, I'm not so cute. Oh, please, I don't want to hit you.
Ow, you hit her. That's my girlfriend. I mean friend.
Okay. So, guys, are we riding the go-kart? Hey, do you guys hear that?
No, I think it's that squid guy.